welcome to my channel. If you're not new, welcome back. So today, first of all, I want to thank everybody for supporting my previous videos and for all the feedback and things like that. And I do want to apologize for the volume. I know the background music was really loud. I didn't realize it until I uploaded it. But yeah, it won't happen again, guys. I'm sorry. But yeah, other than that, thank you for the support and thanks for all the likes and the comments. I truly appreciate it. So, today I'm just going to record this Thanksgiving eyeshadow tutorial. Now, I was going to do a full face, but you can watch my previous video. You can watch my previous videos if you want for how I do my base. I have my base on now. I went to work this morning and the only thing I don't have on is like bronzer and highlighter. But I have my foundation, my under eye concealer, my eyebrows and things like that. So I really want to focus on the eyeshadow. Now, I didn't plan an eyeshadow look out, so we're just gonna go with the flow, okay? So we're gonna do an eyeshadow look and then I'm gonna put on my bronzer and blot some of this oil off. I'm looking a little bit shiny. I like matte, but I'm looking a little shiny. So I'm gonna do that and yeah, let's get started. So guys, yeah, let me show you guys what brushes I'm about to use. So this is the e.l.f. eye crease brush, okay? That's that. And this the e.l.f. concealer brush. I'm gonna use this to, I believe, to cut my crease. Yeah. And then an e.l.f. blending brush. And then I have this brush. I got this in my Ipsy bag. It's by Vera Mona. It's really stiff and little, so I might use it to cut my crease as well. So yeah, the palette that I'm going to use today is my Jaclyn Hill palette, okay? So Thanksgiving is all the brownish, gold, reddish browns, you know, things like that. So we're going to get into something like that. Okay. So I'm going to take, since this brush is smaller, the e.l.f. eye crease brush, I'm going to take this and start building my crease, okay? So I did do my concealer and things like that for my eyebrows. So I'm going to start with priming my lid. Ooh, that's so much. Okay, with priming my lid, I'm going to use my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Warm Medium. I'm just going to use a little bit. Just a little bit. And this, oh guys, I never did my eyes like after my foundation and stuff, but for the sake of time, I did already do it. I'm gonna try the Jackie method, and I'm gonna put powder under my eye to catch the fallout. Let's try that. I'm sorry, I couldn't help that forehead shine. It's getting on my nerves. So I'm gonna take the e.l.f. concealer brush and just blend that concealer on our lid. Yeah. Then I'm just gonna take this sponge and my Real Technique sponge and just make sure it's blended down. We're gonna go in with a shade that's more of our skin tone with, what is this, 1, 2, 3, it's called Faint. So we're gonna go in with Faint, okay? And I'm gonna put that all over the lid. Okay, so I'm gonna put that all over the lid. We're gonna use our e.l.f. crease brush to do that. Well, you can put it in your crease. And we're gonna use our e.l.f. crease brush. And that's just gonna start giving us some color. This brush is really just to apply. I don't use this brush to blend. It's easy to use it to like pat on. So we're gonna start with the lightest red. Okay. which is, I want it like really dark and smoky. So I think this is like more of an orange. So it's okay, another 1, 2, 3. It's the shade, okay, boom, boom. Well, 2, color 3, Pooter. So we're gonna apply that. Okay. Apply that, and we're just patting it on the crease. Okay, that's what I'm doing with this brush because it's a boy. But yeah. Oh. Okay. I'm gonna go in with Roxanne, and that's this shade here. Okay. I'm gonna go in with that to get a little darker. And I'm just patting some. Okay, and I'm patting that also into my crease, and I'm doing like a C motion, and I'm coming on into my outer eye. Okay. Then we're gonna go in with our dark red, which is this bloody type of red called Hilster, and we're gonna go into that to make it dark, way dark. I love dark red. I love it. See how I look? Now we're gonna blend this out. So we're gonna go with 24/7, and we're gonna put that in our crease to just darken it up in our outer corner, just to darken everything out. Okay, just keep it focused in the outer corner. Okay,
we can have like a fluffy effect.
And we're going to cut our crease. Okay, so I'm gonna take that small brush that I was telling you guys about by Veramona. I hope I'm saying it right. If not, sorry. Okay, so I'm gonna put some of the Born This Way concealer on the back of my hand, and I'm going to use the little concealer brush. I mean the little brush to cut my crease. Okay. So I'm going to add some gold glitter, okay, because it's that season. Okay, so we're gonna use the NYX Gold Face and Body Glitter. I love their glitters; they're amazing. By the way, they are amazing. Okay, it's like Christmas on my eyelid, you know. It's like Christmas on my lid. And I'm just gonna keep patting that on. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I love glitter. Now, to clean it up, this eye is fine, but this one is a little messy. I'm gonna go with our blending brush, and you're just gonna clean it up. And all I'm doing is reblending. That's it. That's all I'm doing is reblending and reshaping. Okay. Boom. And I'm gonna add some more smoke out to our outer corner. Okay. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Then I'm gonna blend that. that. Now we're gonna put on our lashes and we're gonna finish up our face. Now I'm gonna use the same lashes from the previous video by Eyelure. Everybody loved these. I'm gonna use them again because I only used them that one time during the video and I took them off, so yeah, why not? And I told you I use hair glue, okay? If you're new here, I know it's not good for the eye, but if you miss the eye, it's good for the leg. Okay. But yeah, okay, so here's our little eye look. I'm gonna dust it off and we're gonna do our under eye and stuff like that because I do like putting crap under my eye. I'm looking for a powder brush to dust off. Here's my powder brush. She's so clean. But anywho, so my under eye is already done. My under eye with concealer, but I'm about to put some of those all the colors I basically use. I'm gonna dust that, mix them, and dust it under my eye. So the different shades of red and the orange and stuff like that. And then I'm gonna put it under. Then I'm going to add some of that glitter in my inner corner. Okay. Okay, here's our eyes. Pretty and festive. Okay, now let's do our face really quick. Just putting this, my LA Colors translucent, setting powder everywhere where I concealed. Okay. I'm just gonna dust that. Oh. Okay. Now we're gonna bronze. Okay. My Black Radiance bronzer in the shade Cafe. And I'm going to use my e.l.f. contour brush to apply it, just to add a little warmth, you know. Just a little warmth, just a little bit. We don't want nothing too dramatic, okay? And excuse my edges, y'all, okay? I'm human. It just happened. So I'm just going to apply that. Just for a little warmth. And if you want, now I'm gonna blend everything. Okay, now I'm gonna add some highlighter. What's this by? Black Radiance bronzer. And I love my highlighting brush. I'm gonna do boom. I use my, if you know by now, I use my Brow Drama by, who's this by? Maybelline. And it is mine. Then I'm gonna use my Milani nude. Okay, this is Bahama Beige. And I'm gonna add my KiCosmetics, lip shade. I did a review on this company as well. If y'all want to check it out, I love her glosses. And this is gonna add a little bit of tone to it. Okay, here's the completed look. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will be back next week. Hopefully with my Thanksgiving vlog. Okay? Or Black Friday shopping, whatever. You know, it's gonna be a vlog though. Okay? So you guys can come into my life and, you know, yeah. So thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, come back. I love to see you here. Thank you. Mwah.